Hello everybody, Nissan Konnichiwa. Today I'm going to the 40 Mohin walking street from Saigon Center. So let's walk there about less than 10 minutes we can reach. Along the way you see interesting people, buildings and stuff. The time now is 9 PM on the weekday. It just stopped raining. Look at the floor, it's so wet. Well, I can really see the hotel, Kimdo Royal Hotel. And Mohin walking street is just 45 degrees from where I'm standing, so near now. And opposite there's a Rex Arcade and Rex Hotel, 5-star hotel. You can even rent bicycle to tour the city, Saigon. And I saw a motorbike for rent also, they have helmets. It looks so cool and young. All the vibes. Look at this, man. We just feel so young again, like in our maybe 20 years old. And there's a people's park, people's community Leitanton on the left side. This is also a nice photo spot, man. And these are the tourist buses. Our first character, the Mickey Mouse, and look at the fountains. It will stop at 10 PM. The fountain. So this is a place for people to walk, to hold hands, to play some games, and some crowd, people watching. There are restaurants, McDonald's, for those can't really eat the Vietnamese seafood, and also hotels at both sides of the street. Oscar, Saigon Hotel, Katina Coffee. Look at that, man. I'm going to bring you guys to somewhere special, not this building, but stay tuned. There are actually lots of cute photo spots just right in front. And because it's raining, so the people who play the dugout is not here. You know, there's a shuttlecock game. I don't see them because it's not raining. They are afraid that they can't really play the game because that's the outdoor game. Now we reached very cute building. On the left side is called the Cafe Apartment. As you guys see, there are lots of cafes selling coffee. Entry is free, but if you want to use the elevator, the lift, right? You need to pay about, I think it's 5,000 dong. So you need to climb up. I think at 9 PM now they're still open, 50% of them. And this one I'm doing some construction. Oh. In front here is a nice photo spot once again. Highlands Coffee, Huang Fu Sugar Cave. And this one is a Sanghua building. They use a Citibank, but then UOB replaced it. I used to come here to withdraw some money, but now I can't use this method anymore. And this side is closed. There's lots of restaurants. This place is insane. Lots of people taking the photos already. I'm in the action right now. This is a photo spot. That's my new friend, man. Well, I didn't know there's a bus, a big bus, Saigon Heritage Tour. That's nice. And lots of street food and drinks here. And a food stall called Nguyen, which is the name of the street here. So if you guys enjoy the video, like, share, and subscribe for more information. Thanks. See you guys again. Let's see you take care, and bye bye.